What's going on, everybody? It's Cack and Balls here again. We're going to do a gut shot of a Rockford Fosgate 2300X amplifier. As you can see, I've already got the side cover off here. And we're going to go ahead and slide this out. I'm going to have to bring the camera down. Normally I have my tripod set up, but I figured we'd kind of do this together. Alright, so cover's off. And here is your guts. Let me bring it in and zoom in. Not a whole lot going on in here. I have yet to test this amplifier to see if it works. I have already tried doing this. This here is really tight, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to really loosen this up with anything that I have. I guess maybe if I spray some electronics cleaner in there, maybe you guys can give me some input. It's pretty tight, and this actually is split just a little bit. Let me zoom in here. And I don't think I can zoom in, and it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. I'll bring it back. Anyway, this part here feels kind of weak, so doesn't look too bad. Model number 6772 matches the back of the amp, so that's good. Anyway, real quick gut shot, like I said, nothing fancy about it. Real quick video, under 2 minutes. Have a good one, guys.